Presenting the Amazon Basics Bagless Cyclonic Cylinder Vacuum Cleaner. The machine offers 700 watts of power, gentle maneuvering on rollers, and comes with an easy-to-clean reusable dust cup, eliminating the need for disposable paper dust bags. Its cyclonic technology provides intense suction power that effectively draws in air, dirt, and dust. It comes with a triple action nozzle for thorough absorption of coarse and fine dirt. The vacuum cleaner's HEPA 12 air filter traps more than 99.5% of all fine particles for a cleaner air release. With a 1.5 liters capacity, this compact and lightweight vacuum cleaner comes with an integrated handle, a 5-meter cord, and a 1.5 meter adjustable hose, making it suitable for vacuuming stairs, upholstery, and for navigating around furniture. It carries an energy efficiency rating of A.